35.
And what?
35.
5 and 35. 35 is 5 and 7. What is our group number?
3.
3. So we can take what?
The 5s.
Yep, we can take this group of 5 and that's going to go on the outside.
7 single, right?
Yep, so 7 goes on the inside. Okay, and then we do the letters. I have how many X's?
8 and 9. 1.
1. So can he go?
No.
No, so where does he go?
In the
Inside.
square root.
Okay, and then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Y's. So how many can go?
2.
6.
6 or 2 groups of 3. So where does that go?
On the outside next to 5.
Yep, so it's going to be y squared. What goes on the inside?
2y squared.
Y squared. Okay, and then we have 8 z's. So it's going to look the exact same. Yep, z squared, z squared. Okay, and then make sure that you have that little baby 3 on the outside.
Okay, so I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, when my other teacher told me that apparently if you have a 90%...
My camera's on. I'm just warning you. I'm not sure what you're going to say, but okay.
It's square root. So, my teacher told me that if you have a 90% or higher, you don't have to take the final. Does that apply for you? You let
No,
everyone do it?
everyone's taking.
Okay.
Math classes are different. And I'll explain to you, but remember when I did those final categories?
Yeah.
What they're doing is they're giving you an A on your final because you already have an A in the class.
Okay.
Okay, 216.
16 divided by 2.
108.
2 and 108? 108.
2 and 54.
54.
2 and 27.
3 and 7.
2 and 27. 3 and 7.
No, that's
No.
4 and 7.
3 and 9.
Oh, yeah.
And then 3 and 3. What is our group number?
Nothing. 2.
So it's a 2. Okay, so these 2 2s can go. And then
Put 2 3s. And
2 3s can go. So we got a 2 and a 3 and a 2 and a 3. And then let's do the numbers or the letters. I got 3 A's. So who can go?
2 of them.
2 of them. So it's going to go on the outside 2, and then 1 goes on the inside. And I have 2 B's. So how many can go? Both of them. So 1 group. Okay, what do you do with these numbers on the outside? Yeah, so what is -4 times 2 times 3?
Oh,
Negative 24.
-24 AB square root of what?
6A.
6A. Ooh, I should have looked up some of these formulas. Okay, the next page is about exponential growth and decay.
I hate this.
Oh, this is the one where it's like inflation, right? Kind of. Or interest. I remember doing this section.
Okay, here's the formula. Make sure you write it on your sheet. A, 1 plus or minus r to the t. What's t stand for?
Time.
Time. Okay, this can be in months, years, whatever. Okay, what's the r stand for?
What is that? Oh, that's a 1.
I don't know, the ratio or something.
It's close. It's the rate. And remember, this needs to be in a percentage. Okay, and then what's the a?
Is that first number? Oh, no, isn't it the biggest number, right?
No.
But what does it stand for? What's the a stand for?
That is a good question.
Starts with an S.
Solution.
The starting,
Starting point.
sure, the starting amount. Okay, as I said, these are the only 2 days, today and yesterday, that we would take notes. The rest of them, I'm just going through the problems, okay? So make sure that you have your formula written down. Okay, I'm not writing it on the other days. So a new social media site is increasing its user base by approximately 6% per month. If the site currently has 21,940 users, what will the approximate user base be 6 months from now? Okay, so what is our starting amount?
Starting amount is 21,940.
Okay, is this gonna be increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Yeah, it's gonna be increasing. Okay, by 6%.
0.06.
By 6%.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 0.06. No, 0.6.
No, if it was 0.6, it would
Point
have
zero,
been 60.
it's 0.06. Because if it was 60%, it would have, 60%
It
would
would've
have
been
been 0.6.
Okay, so they gave us to this in a percent, and I guess I should have clarified, but it needs to be in a decimal, remember? Okay, so what is 6% in a decimal?
0.06.
Yeah, 0.06. Okay, there's really a decimal here, and we go 1, 2, and then that's our new dot, so it's gonna be 0.06. What is our time factor?
The 6 months.
6 months, so we're gonna put a 6 there. And then easy peasy, you type all that in your calculator and see what you get. Should your number be bigger or smaller than 21,000?
Bigger.
Bigger, because it's increasing.
Three, one, one,
I got 31,122.
31,000. What?
3, 1, 1, 2, 2.
31,000.
Was there a decimal or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
0.3.
0.30.
0.30.
Okay, do we leave the decimal on this one or not?
No, because we can't be half the user.
What's a user mean?
Person.
A person. Can you have 0.30 of a person?
No.
No, so we're not gonna leave this on
So
there.
you won't even round it or anything?
Nope. How can you round? You can't round a person.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Okay, a country pledges to reduce, what's reduce mean? Subtract. It's annual CO2 emissions by 2% per year. If the emissions in 2022 are 7,060, what are the maximum allowable emissions in the 2032? What's our starting amount?
7,060.
7,060. It's gonna be 1 minus what?
0.02
0.02.
for 10 years.
Why 10 years?
Because you're supposed to count how many years it's been from.
Yeah, so we started from 2022 and they want to know all the way to 2032. Well, if you count 22, 23, 24, 25, okay, that's 10 years. Okay, so type that in, see what you get.
I got 5,000.
Oh my gosh, Walter.
It's okay, you can still type. 5,000 what?
93.
5,000
793.
793. Was there a decimal?
Yeah.
What is it?
0.04.
Point what?
04.
I didn't get that.
What'd you get?
I got
53.
Yeah, that's what I got. 5768.53.
No.
No, I put 0.02.
I don't know. If the majority got this, then I'm gonna go with that. Okay, do we leave the decimal or not?
No.
Yes. Okay, it's getting measured in metric megatons. Can you have 5.9 million? Okay, you heard that on the thing? 2.1 million, 3.5 billion. Okay, so you can have a decimal.
Wait, what did y'all get?
5768.53.
I got 8606.
I don't know what you did. Oh, you need to do it on these calculators. Those ones don't know. Okay, rewrite each in exponential form. Okay, so they're giving us to it in log form. We want to go from log to exponential. Okay, so on here, I'm going to say log, and then we go to exponential. Okay, so in log form, it goes like this. Log of little a to the b equals c. When we convert it to exponential, it goes like this. A to the c equals b. So as long as you can match up the stuff, okay, so if we look at this, what is the a?
3,
3. What's this b?
1,
1 and c?
0.
0. So we want to rewrite it in this form. So we're going to match up a and a. So the a is 3 to the c, our c is 0, equals b, which is 1. Okay, so same thing here. Match these up. What is this x? What letter should it be?
1,
No,
10.
no.
No.
What goes where? Which one is a?
It's a
A.
low number.
X is A.
X is a. What's the 128?
B.
B.
Y is C.
Y is C. Now use those A, B's, and C's and write it like this. Okay, so it's going to be X to the power of what?
Y.
Y equals
128.
128. Okay, these ones want to go, they're given to you in exponential form. Spelled that wrong. To log form. Okay, so we're doing the same thing, but just kind of backwards. So it goes a to the c equals b, and that needs to get turned into log of a, b equals c. Okay, so if we're using this formula, what is the 9?
A.
9 is the A. What's the 2?
C.
C, 81.
B.
B. Okay, once you have them labeled, it's really easy to write it like this. Okay, so it's going to be log, and we write A first, so that's going to be 9, and it needs to be a little 9, of B, 81, equals 2. Okay, what is the V?
A.
A, U,
C.
C, 8,
B.
B. Okay, so we're going to say log, and it goes A, so V, B, which is 8, equals C, which is U.